In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly export a layout to PDF in AutoCAD. If you've finished your drawing and you're ready to share a clean printable sheet, exporting a layout to PDF is the fastest and most reliable way to do it. We'll keep this simple and focus on the exact settings that matter so your sheet comes out exactly as you see it on screen. First, switch to your Layout tab. At the bottom of the AutoCAD window, click the layout name like Layout 1. This takes you from model space into paper space where your title block, viewports, and page setup live. Working from a layout ensures your sheet size, scale, and annotations are positioned the way you intend them to appear on the final PDF. Next, open the Plot or Export dialog. You can do this in two ways: type Plot and press Enter, or go to the ribbon, click Output, and then choose Plot. This brings up the central hub for creating a PDF, and it mirrors the same settings you'd use if you were printing to a physical device. In the dialog, go to the Printer Plotter dropdown and select DWG to PDF.PC3. This is AutoCAD's built-in PDF driver, and it's optimized for crisp line work, accurate colors, and predictable file sizes. Using this option helps you avoid driver quirks and keeps the output consistent across different machines. Now set what you want to export. Under Plot Area, choose Layout. This tells AutoCAD to export the entire sheet exactly as it's laid out, including your title block, borders, and all viewports. While options like window or extents can be useful for special cases, layout is the most reliable choice when you want a complete, well-framed sheet without accidental clipping. As you review the dialog, you'll typically see a live preview reflecting these choices. If your layout is already sized and oriented correctly, there's nothing more you need to change for a quick export. For best results, make sure your page setup in the layout matches your intended paper size and orientation, and that your annotation scales and viewport settings look right before you open the plot dialog. If something appears off, adjust it back in the layout for a true "what you see is what you get" PDF. That's it. Click through with these settings and your layout exports cleanly to a PDF that's ready to share, review, or print. To recap, switch to your Layout tab, open the Plot dialog, choose DWG to PDF PC3, and set Plot Area to Layout. With those choices, you'll get fast, consistent PDFs every time.